Hi everyone, I'm Juan of the service delivery team here at Appdome. Appdome helps mobile developers and cyber pros deliver on the toughest problems in mobile app security. Fast. Today I would like to talk to you about our anti-fraud module, specifically the option to protect Android apps against harmful routing framework called Magisk. Magisk is a powerful Android routing framework that allows hackers to easily root Android devices without needing to change any file system. Magisk is not a singular thread, since the tool has progressed into a robust set of modules used to root Android devices, evade detection, bypass root detection security checks, and also manage root access for malicious apps. Magisk is also supported by a large community of developers, hackers, who will continue to improve and expand Magisk functionality. Here are my top 3 reasons to stop Magisk and Magisk Hide. Root access allows for bypassing of security measures put in place by the operating system, potentially allowing malicious actors to gain access to sensitive data or compromise any app running on the device. Hiding root access can also make it difficult for security software to detect and remove malware that has been installed on the device, as it would be the operating with elevated permissions. An application that can hide root access on an Android device can also be used to conceal the presence of other malicious software that may be installed on the device with root privileges, making it more difficult for security teams to detect and remove the threat. There you go. 3 of the top 3 reasons you should prevent Magisk and all of the other Magisk modules. If you're looking for a fast and easy way to prevent Magisk, take a look at Appdome. Appdome is an automated build system for mobile app defense that enables developers to protect against Magisk, all from within the CI/CD pipeline in seconds, no code, no SDK, no server required. Thank you for watching.